Welcome to the video introduction to DiaLog, and thank you for choosing DiaLog. DiaLog provides some simple ways for you to manage your contacts, keep track of your communication history, and communicate with your contacts through phone, text messages, and email using your Android smartphones. For Android tablets that do not have phone capabilities, we can support email. With DiaLog, you can also create reminders to remind you to make a phone call, send a text message, or email somebody at a particular time. Let's open DiaLog. This is the DiaLog action bar. From here you can navigate between the contact and activity views, as well as perform several other operations. This is the contact view. From here, you can see all your contacts, communicate with them, and edit their data. For example, their photos, groups, names, phones numbers, and email addresses. This is the activity view. From here, you can see a log of all your emails, text messages, and call activities. You can also call a phone, reply to a message, mark an activity as important, mark an activity as read or as new, create a read reminder, add address to an existing contact, add new contact from an activity, search activities related to an activity's address, and delete an activity. You can switch between these two views anytime by clicking the Contact View button and the Activity View button. In the Activity View button, you will see a number indicating the number of new received activities that you haven't read or acknowledged. Next to the Activity button is the Dial Pad button. From here, you see a pop-up menu for you to make a phone call, send a text message, email, or schedule a reminder. Next to the dial pad is the search button. It allows you to search contacts in the contact view or activities in the activity view. This is the management menu button. From here, you can modify and manage your contacts, your contact groups, email accounts, reminders, and email block list. This is the refresh button. Whenever you want to refresh the view or check for new emails, you can tap this button. Depending on the size of your screen, this button might not be immediately visible. On the right side of the action bar, you may see an overflow button, which contains all the buttons that can't fit on your screen. This is the Settings button, from which you can edit your settings, as well as DiaLog's appearance. This is the Help button. It contains a user guide detailing the functionality of this application. This is the About button. You can check DiaLog's version, user agreement, and privacy statements from here. We have reached the end of the video introduction to DiaLog. If you want to learn more about DiaLog, we have videos describing the contact view, activity view, and reminder functionality in greater detail, as well as a video that shows you how to set up your email accounts, manage your blacklist, and customize DiaLog.